Welcome back friends, welcome to another episode of KW Tech official YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to show you guys how you can set your default apps on Windows 10. So let's get started. First of all, you need to click on this start menu and go to settings. And after that, this window will appear in front of you. Now you need to click on system. And after that, click on default apps. And this is the menu from where you are going to set the default apps for your PC. So here you see we have a bunch of options here. So first of all, I am going to change my default music player to VLC media player, and similarly I just scroll down a little bit and I just change my video player also to VLC media player. And one more thing, I want to change my web browser from Microsoft Edge to Google Chrome. So in this way you can easily set your default apps on Windows 11. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you find it helpful, do subscribe our channel KW Tech Official. Inshallah we will meet you again in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.